We are at Delhi Machine Tool Show organized by IMTIMA, and as I told you yesterday, I am very excited to see how Shahid Bhagat Singh is machined at HAS UMC. So before that, let's go and talk to Salil Jain, who is heading the Phillips Machine Tools in Delhi. Hello, sir. Sir, very good morning to you.
Good morning, good morning.
Sir, it was just before a year you started your Noida facility, and it was great experience that time for us when you machined Ashok Stamp there, and you then carried it on to the DMTX, and it was so famous across India the way you have machined. So in DMTX, what you are doing?
See, yes, true. A year back we did Ashoka Stamp on our Universal Machining Center, that is UMC from HAS. So this time, I mean, that was really appreciated by the whole lot of customers. Everyone wanted to see it and wanted to again wanted to see it. But this time we thought that we'll do something more. So this time we are doing bust of Shahid Bhagat Singh. So it is more complex part. So the reason we did it, it's being this month also being August was month of independence. So why not to do this bust of Shahid Bhagat Singh?
So sir, can you just show us?
Please.
Sir, when we talk about machining, and you told it is not just about machining, right? There are a lot of preparation we need to do for this, making the CAD, the drawings and all those
drawings. Yeah.
So how was the total preparation and how we are able to do this?
See, of course, this was one challenge what we thought. So, frankly, I mean, as far as the drawing and the CAM machining part is concerned, we have our associates like Mastercam. They have given us, they supported us for this, and we are doing this on our UMC 500 machining center. If you can see, just come, I'll show you. This is a true universal machining center. This in brass, we are doing this machining of brass, this block of brass, and we are making it to a bust of Shahid Bhagat Singh.
Sir, now I understand that we do these kind of special products like Ashok Stamba, or even being this it have lots of fine
intricacies, and
yes,
and the profiles are there. A lot of profiles are there. See, the idea behind this is not only to show the profiles. That is, of course, is a part of the UMC, but more important is the accuracies and the performance what you get on these machines. So that is very important. A lot of engineering parts which requires those kind of accuracies and the criticalities, those can be machined and those tolerances can be achieved on UMC.
So when we are talking about the Indian component manufacturers, for that matter, so you deal with a lot of people, right? Yeah. And how this complexity will help India to machine, Indian manufacturers to machine what kind of components for aerospace, for defense?
For aerospace, for defense, for medical, implant manufacturing, which requires a lot of complex parts are there, complex surfaces has to be machined, which is traditionally is not possible with the traditional way. It will take a lot of time. Here you can reduce that cycle time. Here you can achieve those tolerances, criticalities on this with synchronization of all 5 axes. So that can be done over here.
So you are telling that complex machining done in machining one time, and multiple
setup can be done on one time. Yeah.
Okay.
So that will reduce your cycle time, the setup changeover time. Those can be reduced.
Okay. So how is the response what you are getting from the market for Universal Machining Center?
Yeah, fantastic. We already have a lot of machines in installation across India, particularly for Universal Machining Centers. If we talk about Delhi or NCR region, North region, we already have, we are touching almost like more than 75 only for Universal Machining Centers we have around this area only.
Okay,
You know,
okay.
the people who are into aerospace, particularly in defense, particularly, and medical implant manufacturing, they are using these machines.
And I have seen that last time when I came to that our technical center, there are a lot of people who are in the die and mold section also
Yeah.
coming and looking at the Haas machines.
Yeah.
So for them also this UMC is a good option, or it is the
Of course, this is one good option would be there where they require a 5-axis machining. Otherwise, we do have other machine like 3-axis, our very popular model, I series.
the I series. I think is Haas one of the biggest selling machine in the world.
Yeah, this
So
is
you are displayed it here.
Yeah, displayed it here. So I'll just show you that what we are showing it also is a die and mold only.
Okay.
On this machine.
Oh, you have kept a piece which is die and mold here.
Yeah. So the idea behind, see, this machine is, of course, is as we just mentioned that I series. This is one of the biggest, largest machine is sold in the world actually. VF2I. So this particular machine, the package, what the I stands for India Value Package. So this package includes a lot of improved, latest features in the machine. And this machine we are right now is showing for a die and mold only. So we are doing a machining of an insert and would like to show when it is being turned a machine on a traditional way in 3-axis, and here we are showing it on a 4th-axis. So you can reduce the cycle time by almost 30%. When Haas started, we started selling Haas machines almost 19 years back in India. The numbers were not that great, but slowly the Indian market has also understood the value of the performance and the value what they are getting out of the machine. So frankly, this particular India value package, it's not like that we are American machine, we cannot be sold in India. It's the other way around. People have understood what value they can get out of it. So in terms of performance, in terms of accuracies, in terms of cycle reduction, and the machine we have tried to make it very affordable for our Indian market. So that is the reason we are exhibiting this machine. We expect that customers should come to us and they can check with us. We are here to give them a special price, special offers.
So that's what I'm telling you about. Affordability is something what definitely people think in the beginning, but I think that also is changing. After COVID, we have seen that the market is becoming more value driven.
Yeah.
So people are not worried about the money right now, but
It's a value. It's a value which they understand if they get the value out of what they are paying. So that is where the Haas stands for.
the biggest challenge today what people are having is the timely productivity, on-time delivery, and the consistent way of producing the component each and every time right.
Yeah.
So I think Haas plays a big role there, right?
Yeah, that is where we actually play a very major role. As you correctly mentioned that the affordability is one part of it, but the big thing is right now every customer want a delivery fast, quickest deliveries, and they are not compromising on the accuracies. That is the reason we are here. That is where we stand for. You don't have to compromise on your accuracies, the performance. You get your parts quickly, can be delivered to your the end customers, and at a very good value.
Sir, thank you very much, because one more thing what I understand and what I hear from people around here is the kind of the service what you give to your customers.
Yeah.
There is no downtime for people who take Haas machines, and all this goes to the able leadership of yours and the team.
We have a very strong team of right now across India. We are now almost 400 people working for Phillips and for Haas products. So we have a very strong service network across every region of India. We have 11 tech centers where we are stocking the spares for on-time delivery of the spares if the machine is under breakdown, to reduce that breakdown time. So yeah, of course we are known for that. Frankly, yes, that is where we are actually excelling.
Every time I come to Haas machine, Philips, I see something very new, very inspiring. The kind of energy what we get is so good, and that is because of the kind of commitment and passion you people have towards Make in India. Congratulations to you, to the entire team, and I request everyone, another 4 days, the Philips and Haas team is going to be there in DMTX at Pragati Maidan. Come to Hall Tollway, stall A108. Thank you very much for listening to us.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.